Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. We have here an exquisite 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom house in the lush parish of St. Elizabeth, boasting a breathtaking garden. It's fully equipped with all modern amenities, inclusive of an entertainment room, generator, water heater, and water purification system, garage, plus double carport. The land area of this house is 26,562 square feet. Guys, it's time to see this house. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 50 million or US $325,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this house, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.